Discuss the pathogenesis, incidence, ultrasound diagnosis, and prognosis. More concentration on ultrasound. If we talk about the term of syndrome, it refers to the association of signs or characteristics which occur together in the same individual. From the ancient Greek, run together. So these are different symptoms, features, and characteristics which run together. On evaluation of fetal syndromes, we were discussing that there are few parts of this presentation. The main thing is incidence, pathogenesis, ultrasound diagnosis, and prognosis. The term syndrome refers to the association of signs, symptoms, features, and characteristics which occur together in the same individuals, which is run together. So these things run together in it. We can have a sequence like Porter sequence or oligohydramnios sequence is the atypical physical appearance of feet, pulmonary hypoplasia, and cranial anomalies due to oligohydramnios. These things can be experienced in the womb, volume sufficient to cause deformations in morphogenesis of the fetus. Then is water association, which is VATER or water association, vertebral anomalies, imperforate anus, and esophagus atresia with tracheoesophageal fistula are seen. We can have syndrome, a result of a single genetic abnormality, trisomy 21, a result of an extra copy. It is a combination of anomalies, but it is dependent on one trisomy on one, which is the single genetic abnormality. Whereas in association, we have different things which are lying together, like vertebral anomalies. We can have different other findings. In sequences, that we get one pathology which keeps on making shape and adding a few other abnormalities. Like in Porter sequence, there is atypical physical appearance of the fetus, club feet, pulmonary hypoplasia, and cranial anomalies. We will have description in detail. A syndrome is the association of several clinically recognizable features, signs, and phenomena or characteristics that often occur together, so that the presence of one phenomena or characteristics that often occur together, so that the presence of one or more features alerts the healthcare providers to the possible presence of the others. Clinical dysmorphology is the study of abnormal human development with a particular emphasis on rare syndromes causing malformation or alteration in body form. There are different types of syndromes, like we can see here, different bubbles, and most of common are the Down syndrome. Then we have Edward syndrome, Turner, Fetal, and all these. These are very important and common among the. So diagnosis of many new are coming up. There are thousands of fetal anomalies with hundreds of syndromes.